Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open up Sam's bead box for June 2022 Summer of Fun. I'm excited for this one, but first our encouraging word for today is you are one of a kind. And I like this one because it has seashells on it, so it's very summery, and yeah, it seemed to fit with the box. So let's take a look at Sam's bead box this month. I love Sam's bead box. And Sam's box is, let me grab my little cheat sheet here. I never can remember things from month to month. It is $45 plus shipping. I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy, just Wendy, for $5 off of your first box. If you're interested in subscribing, go to joinsamsbeadshop.com. His box ships on the 10th of the month and renews on the 20th of each month. So I will have all that in the description box below the video. So first of all, we get our little sheet here, and Sam always has something really nice to say. And it says, growing up, I was always game for a creative summer camp. At Arts and Crafts Camp, I remember carving custom stamps for printmaking. At cooking camp, we dreamed up themed menus. In high school, I went to Vancouver several times for an opera camp, where we put on entire concerts and enjoyed the gorgeous city. Wow, I always loved camps too when I was a kid. Let's see, he has fond memories of summertime and seeing it as a really creative time in his life. For this month's box, Rachel and I envisioned all of us enjoying the creativity of summer with a bold retro palette of blue, red, and amber. Well, that sounds beautiful. Starting with this awesome box, we're kicking off an entire summer of fun at the shop together. It's a summer that's all about taking time to create, nourishing our inner child, and hopefully having a good laugh along the way. Oh wow, join us for summer camp classes with guest teachers, $5 steals at our live shows, and oh so much more. Wow, that's really awesome. Share what you make with this box in our Facebook gym chat group using the hashtag Sam's Bead Box June 2022, and you could win a prize. To keep this box a surprise for everyone, please wait to post photos or videos until June 17th. All right, so let our summer of fun begin. So this is, oh my goodness, this is huge, guys. There's 26 items in this box. So, wow, it has a retail value of $84. This is a Ranger box in this order for a lovely color gradient. Okay, we'll do that. So we get in here and we have Skittles. Sam, this is my favorite candy. I don't know how he knew, but he did. All right. Let's set this out of the way. He always has this packaged nicely in some paper that we can reuse. And wow, what a beautiful, just look at that right at the beginning. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, wow. All right, so I do want to arrange this in this order for a lovely color gradient. So I want to do it the way he's got it. So we're going to have some fun with this right now. Let's do it. Let's have a little treasure hunt. So, check glass bursting heart focal, cold wash blue, 21 millimeter, one piece. So I'm looking for one piece. Here it is. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. So this is a bursting heart focal. Look how pretty this is. Wow, that's gorgeous. I've got paint on me, acrylic paint. I've been doing trays, so you'll have to watch my tutorial. There's paint under my nails. My hands are always a mess, you guys. I'm always doing so much stuff. It's just crazy. But yeah, this is beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning. So I am going to set these in the order. Oh my goodness, I see some flowers that I'm in love with right now. And then we have Check Glass Aster Flower, Bronze Wash Turquoise, 12 millimeter, 6-piece set. Is this the one? No, that's not the one that I just fell in love with. Let me find these. So we have a 6-piece set of Aster flowers. Here they are. Oh, these are pretty. Bronze Wash, 12 millimeter. So here they are. So cute. And they do go well with this heart. This pattern is kind of repeated there a little bit. Beautiful. Really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna put this beside this. Then we have a Toho round seed bead in opaque rainbow turquoise. Now that's these. These are beautiful. I love Tohos. They're very even. Some of my favorite seed beads are Tohos. Those are really nice. Okay, I'm going to set them right there. Then we have check glass Druck rounds, opaque turquoise, 6mm, a 33-piece strand. That would be these. Opaque Drucks. There they are. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have a check glass shield blue/red silk mix, 8x16mm in an 8-piece set. I think that must be this. Yes, it is. These are interesting. They're not daggers, they're shields. I haven't seen these before. Look how nice. Okay, sorry, my mom called. I had to answer that. But these are the check glass shields in blue/red silk mix, 8x16mm, 8-piece set. And I just think these are so cool. I have never seen these before. I've seen daggers a lot, but these are different. It's shield, so that'll be really interesting to work with. Okay. And then after that, we have some magnesite octagons. 20mm, a 4-piece set. I like these. These are flat, really cool looking. They would be really neat, like to hang one above the other one, kind of in something like that, or to wire wrap. Yeah, those are really cool. So octagons. And they are magnesite, 20mm. Oh, I was leaving things out. Well, no, I wasn't leaving everything out. Okay, there we go. I'm just trying to lay them. This is like a gradient kind of thing going on here. It's very cool. Okay, and then we have check glass twist oval aqua 9x14mm. This is a 15-piece set. These are really cool. So if you can see them, I hope you can kind of tell how they do twist. But they definitely have a little twisty quality to them. And they're very, very pretty. I like this transparent aqua. Beautiful. There they are. Then we have check glass butterflies. This is a silver wash aqua, 11x15mm. And it's a 6-piece set. These are pretty. Very pretty, feminine, petite, cute little butterflies. Whoops. Very pretty. Okay. Let's see here. Where are we? Check glass long teardrop brio mix. Summer Joy. 7x14mm. This is 24 pieces. These are really pretty. So these are the top drill, the briolette style. You can see there. You see the little hole there? I'm trying to make it focus. There we go. And what a pretty color mix here. This red, amber, and this aqua. And they're transparent. They're just really, really, really cool. Cool, pretty little beads. So beautiful. Okay. Then after that, we have a check glass faceted rondelle aqua, 6x8.5mm, 20 pieces. These are beautiful as well. Look how sparkly. Look at that. These are pretty. Faceted rondelles. Love that sound that they make. Beautiful. Whoops. Whoops. A couple rogue ones there. Okay. Then we have Blue Adventurine, smooth round 8mm, 15-inch strand. This is gorgeous. Blue Adventurine. How pretty. Each one's different, unique. Gorgeous beads. Okay. Next up, these are the flowers that I fell in love with a minute ago when I glanced at them. These are, let me find my place, Check Glass Pressed Flower, Color Varies, 12 by 13.5 millimeter, 5-piece mix set. Aren't these adorable? Oh my goodness. They all will have to be used together in something because they're so, so pretty together. But I love these. Absolutely adorable. Yeah, that's probably the first thing I'm going to pull out and work with on this box because I love them so much. Okay, then we have Check Glass Diagonal Drilled Cube Amber Topaz, 8.5 millimeter, 20 pieces. So these are really cool. They're drilled diagonal. If you can see there, the hole goes right through this way. So how really cool are those? I have an idea for these if it works. I'll have to try it and see. But look how pretty. Okay. Then we have, these are interesting. These are Check Glass Table Cut Groovy Ovals, Tangerine Mix, 9.5 by 16 millimeter, a 2-piece set. These are really cool. Groovy Ovals. Tangerine Mix. And they have kind of like this metallic wash on the edges there. Really cool. I like anything table cut. Whoops. All right, next up, we have Check Glass Faceted Rounds, Honey Amber, 6 millimeters, 40 pieces. So look at the sparkle on those little babies. Beautiful. These are 6 millimeter little rounds. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have a Check Glass Hibiscus Flower in a marigold mix. 14 millimeter, 5-piece set. These are stunning. Look at that. They remind me of Fire Opal. The Swarovski color, Fire Opal. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. There is so much in this box. Okay, we have Banded Agate, Smooth Round, Dyed Orange, 10 millimeter, 7-inch strand. Now this is beautiful. I love agate. Any agate. Look at this one. Banded agate is just stunning. I love when it's in a shiny finish like this. It's pretty matte too, but for some reason I just love the shiny. So, so gorgeous. Look at this one. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. So that's next. I love that it's 10 millimeter too. Okay, then we have Check Glass Faceted Rondelles, Fiery Red Crystal Mix, 6 by 8 millimeter, 20 pieces. So this is cool. This reminds me of the Fire Opal color too. Look at these. These are beautiful. Really pretty. Loving these reds. And all this together. It's just beautiful. Okay, then we have Check Glass Ladybugs. Oh, these are cute. 10 by 13.5 millimeters and a little 6-piece set. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. I have to do something with the ladybug and the butterfly together. And a flower. I don't know how, but look how pretty. And these are beads. Really cool. Not just, they're not cabs, they're beads. See the little hole there? So cute. I like these because you can tell that they're actually ladybugs. I've seen some beads that are supposed to be ladybug beads that don't look like ladybugs, but these do. Really cute. Okay, then we have let's see, Candy Jade Pear Brio Collection, dyed 10 by 13 by 13 by 18 millimeter, and a 9-piece set. So this is Candy Jade. These are really pretty. Look at this. Beautiful. Some of them are kind of darker. Some of them are a little lighter. They have this glossy, shiny finish. Oh, they're stunning. Very nice. And they are top drilled. Or side drilled. Brio drilled. I think that's side drilled. Yeah. Look how pretty. Oh. Okay. Then we have check glass saucer. Red crystal. 2 by 5 millimeter. And you get 55 pieces. These are cute. Great little spacers. Really, really pretty. Let's see if I can get them all back in there. I did. Okay. Next up, we have check glass coin focal in opaque red. This is 19 millimeters. And if you can see, it's got these pretty lines through it. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on the lines. You can barely see them. They're there. See them? Really pretty. There they are again, double-sided. Pretty, pretty. And that is a check glass coin focal in opaque red. Okay, and then next we have Candy Jade Nuggets. So these are dyed, size varies, 2-piece set. Look at this. So they're faceted, and it's this Candy Jade, which is really, really pretty. Look at that. My camera is not liking all this in the background. That's why it's having issues. It's very one-track minded. It can't focus on too many things at once, unfortunately. All right, then we have a check glass turtle raspberry mix, 4-piece set. These are super cute. I went to the beach yesterday, New Smyrna Beach, and the sea turtles have nested. So they have all their little nests roped off. So they'll be hatching out baby sea turtles before too long. These are cute. The 4-piece set, and let's see, what size were these? 14 by 18.5 millimeter. And this is raspberry mix. Really pretty. Okay. And last but definitely not least, we have Tiara cast components made in the USA. They are lead free. And we have a fairy tale tree pendant and a couple of fairy tale tree charms. Whoops. Now the pendant is 23.5 by 27 millimeters. And the charms are 15 by 19. Aren't they pretty? They are double-sided. Very nice. Beautiful. So that, guys, is Sam's Bead Box for June 2022. Summer of Fun. And let me get it all in here to where you can see it. It is definitely a beautiful, beautiful box. I mean, they're all always beautiful, but this one is just exceptionally pretty. I love these colors together. So as you can see, it is a whole gradient thing going on here. I can't get them all on the screen even. But how beautiful this is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have all the information in the description box below if you're interested in subscribing to Sam's Bead Box. And yeah, it's one of my favorite boxes to get every month. I always look forward to it. So I'll be creating some things out of this one. I definitely want to use these all together. And I will probably mix in like maybe some of these. Maybe some of the little red spacers. Let's see, possibly these would be pretty. Yeah, and maybe even the Brios. I don't know. We'll have to see. But wow, what a beautiful box to work with. So, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.